In this video, I'll show you how to add zip code to your vanilla gift card. If you find it helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Now, let's not waste any time. Let's jump right in. Adding a zip code to your vanilla gift card is a quick and simple process, but there are a few key steps you need to follow. Make sure to watch the end so you don't miss anything important. Alright, first we need to open up a web browser and head on over to Google. Then from here, type in Vanilla MasterCard website. Then once you've done that, go ahead and click enter. And then in the Google search results, we need to click onto where it says vanilla gift cards from myvanillagiftcard.com. Alright, so now we're over to the official website of My Vanilla Gift Card or Vanilla Gift Card. Now automatically it takes me to manage your card, but if it doesn't, just go on ahead and locate manage my card and get to this page here. Alright, once you're here, now in some cases you might see a message stating that card registration is under planned maintenance or something similar. If that happens, you won't be able to add a zip code directly at the moment. However, you can still try these two other options. You can go ahead and check your balance and log into your account. So if maintenance is completed, you may be able to proceed with registration and add your zip code. Or the other option, you can contact Vanilla customer support. So if we go ahead and click on the contact us button here, we can go ahead and reach out to their customer care team on this number, or you can write to them via old school mail. When you call them, explain that you're trying to add a zip code to your vanilla gift card but are unable to register online. They will provide the exact steps based on your specific card, ensuring you get it all sorted out.